Ay, eto na. Unang mag-audition natin, Mayor. 6 years old. Si Amira Rihanna Reyes Atraje.
Wow.
Dami pa.
Hello, Pepper Cats!
Hi, Amira Rihanna. Happy birthday din. Ano gusto mo itawag namin sa'yo? Amira o Rihanna?
O Reyes o
Amira.
Atraje?
ah?
Amira.
Amira.
Ikaw, kailan birthday mo na?
March 24, 2018.
Oh, 6 years old na. Anong grade mo na?
I'm grade 1.
What? Grade
you're
1.
Computerized yung
boses niya, no? Parang sa elevator. Opening. Closing. Second floor.
Ano naman ang favorite subject mo sa school?
English because I can speak English.
Buti ka pa.
Sana all. You can speak English. How about you guys? Sino dito nag-speak ng English?
You speak English?
How about Spanish or what?
Naglalayuan.
No.
Naglalayuan eh.
Pero no ang sagot nila. ha?
How about the guys over there, the studio? You speak English ba, Raisa May?
No one, Mayor.
No one.
Sorry.
Okay, ikaw naman ngayon. Eto.
In your house, do you usually speak English like that?
Yes.
Yes.
Why, your mom and your dad speak English also?
Yes.
Okay.
This is a
Yes
recording.
lang.
Why?
Yes.
Why?
Because I'm English and they speak me with English.
When?
Every day
Where?
Where?
in our house.
What?
But if I'm speaking with my uncle, I speak Tagalog.
Marunong naman pala.
You should also speak Tagalog.
You speak
because
Tagalog naman
We're
pala.
Filipino.
You understand Tagalog?
Yes, I can speak Tagalog only a little bit.
Only a little bit.
Naku.
Yeah, me too. I can speak English only a little bit.
Okay, let's go.
What's your talent?
My talent is singing, dancing, storytelling.
Storytelling.
Sabay-sabay niyang gagawin niya.
Ha? Pwede rin. Storytelling naman pala. How about, what's your talent that you're going to show us today?
Singing.
Singing.
Sing.
Okay, are you ready?
Inglesero yan.
Okay, get your things and go home.
Wapa.
Hindi pa.
Ano mo
Okay.
na? Kanta mo na siya, Mayor.
Hindi pa, hindi pa.
Ito na mga Dabber Cats, 6 years old, Amira Rihanna Reyes Atraje.
Dabber Cats, if you know the song, sing with me!
English pa din yun.
Dahil sa'yo yan, dahil sa'yo.
Remember when we held on in the rain? The nights we almost lost it. Once again, we can take the night into tomorrow. Living on feelings. Touching you, I feel it all again. Didn't we almost have it all?
Pahabol.
Pahabol.
Mariah Carey.
Oo. Ang ganda na ng score, nalaglag pa.
Ay, hindi. Kinain ng ano, yung tape kinain
Okay,
kasi.
okay.
Hindi naman.
Galing.
Nag-rewind mag-isa, no? Ang galing. Sino nagturo sa'yo kumanta?
My mom and my grandma.
Your mama and your grandma also singing?
Yes.
What's your grandma favorite song?
Celine Dion and Make Me Stun.
Oh.
Say hi to your grandma.
Hi, Mashi.
Hi, Mashi.
Keep watching me there.
Yeah.
Today is Monday, right? How many monkey that you see?
Ano?
Only one.
What did you say again?
Ayun na.
No, sorry, forget it.
Good night.
What's your question, Mayor?
How many monkey you see?
Monkey?
Yeah.
Only one.
How many monkey?
Who is the monkey?
Ay. It's a secret.
Is that a monkey? Now you know.
How about,
There's no monkey. I cannot see where's the monkey.
oh,
No
it's,
monkey, no monkey.
No monkey.
kidding.
How about
kidding.
now?
Kidding.
Ayan, oh.
Yeah, now you see the monkey?
There?
Ayaw. Mabait
Ayaw
na
niya
bata.
paniwala, Alan.
Mabait na bata.
Ibig
Ayaw
sabihin
makasakit ng
talaga ikaw.
damdamin na matatanda.
Oo. Polite na bata. Ay,
Polite.
acting yan naman.
Yan. Yan, acting tayo, ha?
Marunong ka, Marte?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Ako, Englishin na.
Ako.
Naintindihan naman yung Tagalog para ma-practice niya yung Tagalog.
Tama, tama.
Naintindihan mo yan? Kunwari.
What's Tagalog? Ay, English na kunwari.
For example.
Oh,
Yan, for example, ewan ko ba? Yung tatay mo nagtatampo.
Kaya niya yan.
Tapos hindi niya napapansin, hindi kanya
Pwede ba
napapansin.
yung uncle na lang, uncle?
Ayaw na lang
Tatay,
tatay.
uncle.
Pretend.
Oo, kunyari si
pretend lang,
uncle
pretend.
nagtatampo. Tapos hindi kanya pinapansin. Tapos magsosorry ka sa kanya. Ha? Anong gagawin mo, ha? Are you ready na?
Did you
Yes.
understand?
You understand na?
Yes.
Okay.
Buti naman.
Eto na, mga Dabarkads. Sa eksenang pinamagatang, ang nagtatampong...
Monkey. Ay,
Hindi, ang ay tatay.
parang pusa. Ang matampuhing tatay. Okay, ready? Honey Magic! Balik! Ang tatay na nagtatampo. Action! Doon pala yun.
Papa, what's wrong?
Ayan, patay.
Lalong hindi
What's wrong?
lalong magtatampo yan.
Nothing.
Ay,
Why not
malislip
paying
tapos.
attention?
Sumagot ka, oh.
Nothing.
I just want to say something.
Tay.
So say it.
I have to tell you something.
I'm listening.
I broke your phone. Please forgive me, pretty please. Please.
You know, that is my favorite phone and that was so expensive.
Aray.
Aray, diretso.
Please forgive me, please.
You just talk to your mama.
It's just an accident. I didn't mean it.
I've been telling you not to play my phone, not to use my phone, but
Please.
Apo.
Binuntong hininga, eh.
Yeah, may
I
duwa.
told you before, my vocabulary in English is just limited.
Pretty please, just forgive me. Please forgive me.
She's crying. Naku.
Okay, okay, okay.
Naku.
Oh.
Cry, don't cry. Don't cry.
Thank you, Daddy.
stop crying now.
I'm sorry.
I will just buy a new phone, the cheaper one. But it's okay now. I'll stop crying.
Hihimatay na yun. Hirap na mag
Tinapos eh.
And cut!
Galing.
Galing.
Maganda pala pag English yung mga bata, no? Hindi tayo na-overtime.
Budget tatay, bigla na na sumuko.
Hindi man lang nagmatigas eh. Hindi na challenge eh.
Gumive up na lang. Eto naman.
Gumive
Pangalawang
up.
mag-audition natin ay Spanish speaking.
Uy! Ang dali naman.
Cuando? 4 years old. Savannah Isabel Lux Oliero. Ay.
Hi, Leprechaun!
Patay tayo dito. Mas mahirap kausap to, 4 years old, tapos nag-i-English din eh.
Say hi to the Dapper Cat.
Hey, Leprechaun!
One by one, anak. Ayun. Ayun.
Nakilala ka.
Hi!
Go, introduce yourself. Hi, my
My
name.
name is Havana.
I am.
I am 4 years old.
I live at.
I live at Cortete, Angeles, Pampanga.
My favorite food is.
My favorite food is yogurt.
Yoga!
Yung mga anak ko, taho lang eh.
What is your favorite food?
Maligaya na.
What's your favorite food? Isaw.
Ano ba?
Are you going to school na ba?
I'm going to school.
What time?
Monday.
Monday.
What grade?
Kinder.
Kinder.
Who's your favorite teacher?
Micah.
Teacher. What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is reading because I like English.
Patay.
Patay tayo dyan.
Saan nyo ba
Tayo dito.
Saan ba napupulot yung mga batang yan?
What am I going to sing?
Malamang
I don't know, nagtatanong na.
What?
When am I going to sing? Sabi niya. Parang manika.
Oo.
I'm
Bisusi.
going to sing Bring Me to Life.
Bring me
wow.
to life. It's a very hard song because it's rock.
Yeah. It's a rock song.
Yay!
Are you ready?
I'm going to sing Bring Me to Life.
Bring me
This
to
is a
life.
recording.
Adjust ko. Ayan.
Mga yan. Are you okay? Are you ready?
I'm ready now.
Okay.
Okay. If you're ready, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Run.
No, wala pa. Let's wait for your music.
4 years old.
Happy
Savannah.
birthday,
Isabel.
Leprechaun. Can you please play the music?
Play music daw.
Can you see to my eyes like open doors, leading you down into my core, where I've become so numb without a soul. My spirit sleeping somewhere cold until you find it there and lead it back home.
Wake me up!
Wake me up and
I can't wake up!
wake me up and
Save
my name and take me from the dark.
Wake me up!
Bid my blood to run.
Wake up!
For I come undone.
Save me!
Save me from the nothing I've become. I've been sleeping and doubting your scheme. Got to open my eyes to everything. Bring me to life. Wake me up and wake me up and call my name and take me Thank you.
Galing! Hindi mali.
I'm going to act.
Ah, you're going to act.
Oh, bigay na natin agad.
Oh, walang pahinga.
Oh, walang pa
Walang
yung
interview.
dire-diretso. Oh, now, you know the situation is?
Yeah.
Okay, you know, okay, go there. What is the situation? What? What is the situation?
What are you going to act?
About
About, yeah. Your...
my father,
Oh.
my uncle.
Oh, and then?
I'm going to say, Uncle, what happened?
Oh.
Galing!
Oh, dyan na ina-acting ah.
Oh, ready na nga siya, ready na nga.
Mukhang ready na. Okay, go there. Go there. Go there, baby. Go, run. Run, run, run.
Ay, Savannah. Doon na, natampo.
Prokipado na yung tatay ah.
Parang namumutla na yung tatay, ah.
Bakit hindi na kaya? Kaya na ba ata?
Yes.
Nahirap ang loob ng itsura, oh.
Huwag na natin pahirapan siya. And, action! Malamang to, ang role nito na stroke ko. Hindi kasalita.
Uncle, what happened?
You sit down.
Uncle, what happened?
I'm tired. Don't talk to me.
Ayaw tuloy.
Talk to me.
You know, I told you to help me to clean the house, but you're outside playing the whole day. You're outside. You didn't follow my order. I ordered 2 cheeseburgers. 2 soft drinks. What happened? I'm hungry now.
I'm sorry, Uncle. I won't do that again.
Why are you not listening to me? Not following Uncle? What is the problem now?
Please forgive me, Uncle.
I'm so tired. I've been cleaning the house the whole day. I was looking for you. Where are you? Where did you go?
I'm just singing, Uncle.
Singing the whole day, but your uncle was cleaning the house, cleaning the living room, cleaning the bedroom, cleaning the kitchen, and everywhere. Especially the door.
Breakdown!
Breakdown.
You know, it's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry. I was cleaning the house.
Hala ka, totoo yan.
Sing and
Totoo yung breakdown.
you know sometimes it happens. You
Lagot
like
ka.
singing?
Explain in English,
That's
uncle.
good. You know your uncle. I'm not tired. I want to clean the house and from the top, going back to the top, to the floor, to the everywhere. You know, it's good. You can sing. Don't. You know, I don't need help. You just sing. Ooh. I'm sorry.
Paano na?
Yeah, can you sing that? You wake me up again?
Hirap tapusin.
Paano?
Breakdown agad.
Kailangan patahanin
Are
mo
we
yan.
okay now?
Yeah.
Are we okay now? So, can we talk now? So,
Okay.
tell me, what did you do outside?
I was singing Bring Me to Life.
Oh, that's very good. That's very
Oo nga naman, nag-audition lang yung tao. eh.
Pinakantahan ka lang naman eh.
Can you sing it now? Bring me to life, uncle.
Ayan, natakot lang.
And... Cut!
Dumating
Cut, cut,
ang
cut.
I am
tatay.
your real father.
Paliwanag nyo sa bata.
Only acting, okay? Just only acting, no? No?
Ito, kasalanan nito eh.
Sa ngalan ni uncle.
Pretend lang, pretend.
It's not real. It's not real, okay?
No, cool.
Pretend uncle lang angry. But it's not angry naman. Okay, uncle?
Oh, it's only actingan, okay? Okay.
It's okay? Are you okay?
Yeah.
What do you want to eat?
Pudgy bar.
Okay, Pochi Bar. Bili tayo Pochi Bar.
Pudgy bar daw.
Ano yun? Pagkain ba yun? Ano yun?
Pagkain
Sa
yun.
bar, pupunta kayo sa bar.
Magbabar kami tanghalin tapat. Magbabar kami.
Inapay yan, inapay.
Okay, let's go there. Let's go there. Come. Paano mo matatalo tong bata na to? Umiiyak.
Salanan talaga ni
Kasalanan
Uncle
niya.
eh.
You know? It's okay, anak.
It's okay.
It's just,
okay, palakpakan! Yay! We're done! No, we're done na. It's okay na. We're done na.
Kaya, Amira. Ayun,
Don't cry na. Don't
We're
cry.
just
Don't cry
acting.
na. Don't cry. I give you 20,000 pesos.
Yeah. Yan na. Si Amira at saka si Savannah. Okay, ang mananalo, tatanggap ng 10,000 pesos tsaka fudgy bar.
At ito na nga ang resulta, Pao, Mayor, Wally. Congratulations!
Biyak na, malulot-lot pa.
Ay, naku.
Paano yan?
Patay si Uncle lalo. Our child star of the day is contestant number...
1 or 2, Derry Cats.
Contestant number 2, Savannah Isabel Lax Oliero.
You won!
Congratulations, Savannah! Congratulations sa ating panalong Gower Kids today, si Savannah. Good job, Savannah. And si Uncle, good job ka rin. You survived your challenge.
Nadaan kayo sa
Thank
iyak.
you naman kay Amira.
What will you say? What will you say? What will you say?
Thank you.
Thank you.